How to see who viewed your TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can see who has viewed our TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are two types of things on TikTok. One is post views, the other is profile views. So you can tap the three lines option, go to settings, then go to privacy here. When you go to privacy, if you're talking about post views, let's say you want to find people who has viewed your video, you have to turn this on. And if you want to find profile views to people who viewed your profile on TikTok, turn on this. But this only works if both of the parties have turned on this feature. So if you have also turned on profile views, the person who viewed your profile also has turned on profile views. You will be able to see if you viewed each other profile if you simply go to this little sleeper icon from the top right. Now similarly, if someone viewed your video, if both of you has the option that someone actually viewed your video, then you should be able to go ahead and then basically find out if someone viewed your video or not. But as I said, both of the parties need to have those features enabled as for profile and as for post separately. So hope this video helped to understand as to how you can view if you see who viewed you on TikTok. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.